So once you've created a website on durable.co, now on the right hand side, click on brand. Now inside this, you'll see this page. Click on generate brand, this button. And now it's going to start generating brand assets for you. It says your brand is ready. And it's now going to give you your logo, which is this in a font. And you can also regenerate this if you do not like it. And if I go down, I will see my primary logo, secondary logo, and such. I also see my favicon. This thing appears over here, this small icon. There's also profile round and profile square. You can download them by clicking on here. You also see some examples like how your logo is going to appear on clothing items, shopping bags. And if I go down, I will find that this is the font that they have selected and I can regenerate it or edit it from here. The colors for the brand, the writing style, website preview, invoicing and emails, social assets, and such. Now, maybe I do not like this as a font. I want an icon with it. For that, I will go for edit in the logo section here, click on it. And now inside here, it says text plus icon. Go down, click on icon, press on this. And now you can select an existing one here. So if I click here, it's going to give us this media selector. So I can go inside the library and the icons. These are all the icons that are provided by Noun Project inside durable.co. And because I've got this roofing business set on durable.co, like I made a website for roofing business inside durable.co. And that's why it's giving us these icons. You can select any one of these. So let's say I select this one and insert. And it's going to get inserted here. And next to our text, this font, we've got the icon. Now maybe I want to generate it with AI. So I'm going to delete this from here and say, let AI choose for you. So our logos has been generated and I like the upper ones, these two. I do not like these on the bottom. You can, if you find that you do not want this text on the bottom, you can just download this and remove the text using Canva, like remove the background of it and remove the text. And then you can take that image and insert it inside durable.co. But I'm going to use this first one over here. And if you do not like any of these, you can click on this to generate more. For now, I'm going to select the first one and use selected. And it's going to add that logo over here. And now it looks much better than the last one. And these are the variations. I'm going to click on done. And if I go down, I'll find the favicon is also changed, the profile square, and our examples. And I can also change the fonts here. So I can edit it and change the font from here. There's also colors, so you can regenerate it or edit them. There's writing style, you can edit this as well. If you want to learn how to edit your website on durable.co, I have another video on my channel. You can check it out at the end. There will be a playlist on the right. Now these are invoicing, and in invoicing, we also got the logo here. So when you send an invoice to your customers, it's going to look like this. Your social sets, business card, and you can click on save to save this. Now, if I want to share this with my team or someone else, I can just click on this copy link and give them the link. So if I paste it here on a new tab, this is going to open up. So they can also check out the brand builder inside it and they can see how it looks like. And then they can also copy link and share it with someone if they want. And when I open it in the new tab, this keeps on loading for some reason. Maybe that's a bug, but that's there. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, there's a link in the description. If you buy through that link, any of these paid plans on durable.co, it may help me out with a small commission. These are the pricing plans of durable.co. And that's it. That's how to use the brand builder inside durable.co. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment.